Stop making YouTube videos one at a time. In this video, I'll show you a smarter approach. Learn how to replicate the strategy of a monetized YouTube channel and automatically create your own videos using a free AI tool from Google. We're talking about everything done for you: scripts, voiceovers, visual, and complete video structure, ready in just minutes. The surprising part? Most creators don't even realize this tool has these powerful capabilities. At the end of this video, you'll understand how to break down successful YouTube channels, learn their content formula, and build your own automated system to produce videos consistently. Hello everyone, I'm Aisha. You are watching AI Tech Vision. Hello. Open a new tab and head over to NotebookLM. If you already have a Google account, which most people do, you can log in instantly with no setup required. Once you're inside, you'll see your main dashboard. Click on New Notebook to get started. You'll now enter a clean, empty workspace. Think of this as your personal AI research assistant. It reads everything you provide and then helps you turn that information into content. On the left side, you'll find a section called Add Sources. This is where you'll upload the videos from the channel you collected earlier. Click Add Source, then choose Website from the options. A text box will appear. Simply paste all the video links you copied before, add them all at once so they show up as a list. After that, click Insert. Now, NotebookLM will begin processing and analyzing those videos. Give it a few seconds. That's how you know it's ready. Here's a quick pro tip. Don't just wait, keep adding more sources while it loads. You can include blog posts, articles, or even PDFs related to your niche. The more information you feed into NotebookLM, how better it understands your topic. Means smarter outputs and content that feels more unique and valuable. The more information you feed into NotebookLM, how better it understands your topic. Means smarter outputs and content that feels more unique and valuable. Once everything is fully loaded, the first thing you should do is give your notebook a proper name. Click on the title at the top and rename it to something clear and relevant. Name your notebooks after your niche or a channel clone style name so you can easily recognize them later. Trust me, once you start creating multiple notebooks for different videos, staying organized from day one will save you a ton of confusion later. Now here's the part that's honestly going to surprise you. We're about to enter our first prompt, and what NotebookLM generates will give you a complete breakdown of the channel you selected. Let's do it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a chat box. This is where you interact with NotebookLM about all the sources you've outed. Click into it and type your prompt exactly as planned, then hit enter. Now watch closely. NotebookLM will go through every video you provided and start identifying patterns. Within seconds, it will return a full analysis of the channel. Let's discuss content strategy. First, define your target audience. Match tone into your pop topics. Have hooks that grab attention. Finally, structure scripts for clarity and engagement. It's basically reverse engineering the entire content strategy for you. Go through this carefully. This is the channel's complete playbook, decoded by AI. It's basically take a screenshot, copy it, save it, because you'll be coming back to this again and again. Once you've done that, stay in the same chat and enter your next prompt. This time, NotebookLM will generate 10 channel name ideas, along with short explanations for each, helping you pick something that perfectly matches your niche and the proven formula. Take a close look at these suggestions. Choose the one that feels right to you, or use them as inspiration to create something unique. Once you've decided on your channel name, proven formula. Stay in the same chat and move on to the next prompt. Instantly, you'll get 10 ready-made video ideas. These aren't just random topics. They're based on the proven formula of a successful monetized channel, which means they already have a strong chance of performing well. Now here's where things get really powerful. So far, you've only generated ideas. But in the next step, we're going to take one of those ideas and turn it into a complete full-length YouTube script. And the best part? It only takes about 2 minutes. Here's how to stay organized while working on multiple videos at once. The key is to batch your content instead of creating videos one by one. Start by looking at the 10 video ideas NotebookLM generated. Choose the first idea you want to focus on. Now copy everything related to that idea. First, the title should be clear and concise. Second, a hook to grab attention. Third, a detailed description. Now, go to your NotebookLM dashboard and fill in the details. Click on Add Source and select the Copy Text option. Paste everything you copied, the title, hook, and description, and click Insert. Great, now go back to your main notebook, the one where you originally added all the channel videos. This step is important. When you generate the script, it needs to reference those original sources, so it can follow the same proven structure and style. In your main notebook, go to the chat box and enter your script prompt. Now watch what happens. NotebookLM will generate a complete script. It's not just about rough points, but fully written content with natural flow, proper pacing, and clear structure. This makes it feel like something a real creator wrote, not robotic or generic. Once the script is generated, select all of it and copy it. Then head back to your video-specific notebook, click Add Source, paste the script, and hit Insert. Now your video-specific notebook contains both the idea and the full script as sources. This is crucial because the next step, generating the actual video, will use both of these to create a complete result. Now it's processing, go back to your main notebook, choose your second video idea, and repeat the exact same steps. This way, you're building multiple videos at the same time instead of working one by one. That's how you scale efficiently without burning out. Now comes the part that honestly feels a bit magical the first time you try it. Now we're about to turn that script into a real, complete video, voiceover, visuals, animations, everything generated in one click. Here's how it works. Go to your video-specific notebook, the one that contains your idea and script. Inside it, find the Studio tab. You'll see multiple output options like mind maps, study guides, quizzes, infographics, and slides. Choose your preferred language. NotebookLM supports most major languages, so you can target any audience you want. This style works best for educational and how-to content. Choose your preferred language. NotebookLM supports most major languages, so you can target any audience you want. For visual style, options is available, but wider style works especially well for this kind of content. Clean, simple, and engaging. Once everything is set, click Generate. Now just wait a moment. NotebookLM will process your script, create visuals, record a natural sounding voiceover, and assemble the full video automatically. No editing timeline, no manual work. Now, when it's done, you can preview the entire video directly in your browser. The voice sounds natural, visuals match the script, and it genuinely feels like a real YouTube video, all created in minutes.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving into something that I think is going to blow your mind. Step number 1, inputting your source material. This is where we give the AI all the raw info that it needs to work its magic. And you've got options here. You can just type text in directly, you can upload long PDF research papers, or, and this is the key, this is the pro tip for getting the...
But here's the reality. Even the best video won't perform if no one clicks on it. That's why optimization is critical. Go back to your video notebook chat and ask for title suggestions. And just like that, you've created everything. Video idea, script, voiceover visuals, title, description, and thumbnail using free AI tools. If you want to learn how to build AI-powered income systems, make sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to take it further, check out the next video where you'll learn how to generate videos in bulk automatically. See you in the next one. Take care.